So I'm back here today on Newlands Corner. It's really beautiful here on a really hot June day. Day after my 29th birthday. Happy birthday to me for yesterday. It's over near Guildford and Woking sort of area. I've been there once before in September 2022. And it's really lovely here, so if you're ever in the area, come. Even in the background, I've been noticed. Yeah, and so if you're in the area, come look at this place. It's really lovely. And here's my friends. Do it again, guys. Sorry, I had to do that. Yeah, hope you like it and subscribe and enjoy. Thank you, guys. And I'll see you next time.